Welcome to another Mouse Monday on R&DW Adventures. I'm Daryl.
And I'm Renee.
And for those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, thank you for visiting. But we do a whole bunch of videos, not just the Mickey Mouse unboxing kind of stuff.
But they're fun.
But we do try to do, a Disney-related thing on Mondays, hence the Mouse Mondays. Wednesdays are kind of up in the air, and then we do generally junk food on Fridays, which is our taste test. So if you want to check out our other videos, please make sure to check those out on our channel. We'll have a link at the end of the show as well, or the end of the video. But also hit that subscribe button, and that way you can stay abreast of all of the information that we're spouting. I don't know if it's information usually. Sometimes on geocaching.
Sometimes we have information on geocaching or
but we do also do some live
antics
ones
that come out of our
so
mouths.
hit that bell icon when you do hit the subscribe, and that way you'll know when we have stuff that actually drops. But today we actually got kind of lucky because someone you ran into had 8 bags of these Lego minifigures from the Disney Series 2 collection.
Yes.
Which we didn't really get into when we saw them. And then, of course, Looney Tunes came out.
Right. And we did the Looney Tunes.
We found the Looney Tunes. We got hooked on the Looney Tunes.
Right.
Now we want to do these, and they're
cute.
not available. You got to do it back here. Right about there.
Right about here?
Right about there.
Okay.
So we only got 8 bags because that's all he could find for us.
Right.
But we're going to open all 8, put them together, see what we can do. And I would like to have the Steamboat Willie, Mickey and Minnie, just because it's classic.
And then there's Chip and Dale.
Yeah, aside from...
No, I think Minnie and Mickey are the ones I really want.
Yeah, I was going to say, aside from that, I don't know that I want anyone.
I don't know who that is.
I think that's Elsa.
That's weird. Okay. Anyway.
But
they are definitely cute.
And we do need scissors for these. There's no tears or anything. And, well, here, I got Elsa.
That's Elsa. This
is a bag in a bag.
I think this is her sister. I forgot her name. What's her name?
Anna.
Anna. I think this is Anna.
Oh, she has a cape.
Oh, and I see which one you were thinking was Elsa. And I thought it was weird because I was pointing to this one, not this one. Oh! Now I get what you're saying. Oh, there's a Jasmine. She doesn't have a boo, she has a bird.
Right.
And then there's,
well, yeah, Jasmine wouldn't have, she should have, Raja.
She doesn't have Raja either. She has a bird.
So it's the live action one, because the live action one, she didn't have the tiger, or did she?
Right.
Now I can't remember.
Now there's directions, right?
I don't know that we need the directions.
I know. Uh-oh.
Her head is gone.
She lost her head. Oops. I don't see her on here. Where is she? Oh, there she is.
I'm not sure I like her so much, to be honest.
No. Maybe it'll be a classroom gift.
Oh, we gotta keep them. She holds her...
Oh, she has 2 different faces.
Her thingy.
Okay.
We are having such trouble with these pieces
it's a lantern.
Today.
I was trying to figure out what this was. Okay.
Alright, so there we go. We've got the Elsa completed.
Let me put Anna here and put her hair on. Oh, nope, that really does go that way.
Yeah. It's weird because the hair goes in front on these.
She has a lantern.
Alright, so I'm going to get started with my second one.
Did you see her?
Yep.
Okay, I wouldn't mind having Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Oh, yeah, we don't need to put that together.
You didn't put her cape on.
Where's her cape?
Right here.
Oh. Oops.
Okay, I'm not even going to assemble the seconds though, because why bother?
He has a cape. That's weird. It is weird though. Look at it. Okay, there we go. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it's right though. There we go. Okay.
Okay, now for my second one. Oh, we got
A Donald.
Scrooge.
Oh, Scrooge? Oh, okay. Scrooge is good.
Yeah,
I like Scrooge. Quite frankly, I think I like Scrooge better than Donald.
Yeah.
So for my third one, I do have a unique one.
Do you?
Yeah, and I'm not sure. I'm thinking it's. I don't know who it is. It's number 14 on your chart, though.
Thor? No.
No. I'm thinking it's Hercules, but it just doesn't look right for me, or to me, for it to be Hercules.
I mean, I guess it makes sense.
They all have capes so far, though, don't they?
Scrooge does
Scrooge
not have
does not?
a
Okay.
cape. But he has money.
Wait a minute. How do the capes? He has a weird cape that's got 2 holes on it.
Well,
I actually need the instructions.
I have extra money for Scrooge, but I can't make him hold any of it.
And the instructions don't have the instructions on putting on his cape.
How do you make him hold the money?
Oh, it just goes in his hand sideways.
Oh, that's just I couldn't get it to do that.
Yeah, it can be a little tricky. All right.
Okay, there's extra money and an extra cane, just in case you lose it.
I have 2 swords.
Swords?
Swords.
So we should
Swords.
make a pile of extra things.
And I'm assuming this is Hercules. Has 2
He has a
expressions
shield.
as well.
Does Hercules have a shield?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I could be wrong. I am wrong all the time.
I got
Let's see.
another Scrooge.
Oh, okay.
And he doesn't
So
come in
put
a
it
little
aside.
plastic bag.
So yeah, just put it aside like that. Alright, and there's our Hercules.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're on to our last ones. Alright. Let's see if we got duplicates yet again. That is our luck.
It is.
Especially because we only have 2. Oh! I got a Steamboat Willie.
Did you really?
I'm not sure which one.
Who's this?
I got Mickey.
Who's this?
Frozone.
From...
Incredibles.
Ah, alright, I got Frozone.
Oh no, there's a Mini.
What?
I have a Mini. The Steamboat Mini.
Oh, yep, eyelashes.
Well, and the skirt.
Oh.
And I put her body on backwards. So I wanted the Mickey, but we didn't get the Mickey.
No. Sorry.
Oh, she has double hats.
She can change her... Oh, she
No,
has
it's
two
the
hats?
same hat. We just got a extra.
Does
But
this
she's
go
got
on
a cute
his
little
head?
hat.
What is this?
No?
Oh. Still don't know. I think it goes like this.
Okay, Minnie just fell apart on me.
Sorry.
We gotta send her to the shrink. Okay, now Minnie, hold the... There. That's why I did wrong. Alright, so now we've got our Minnie.
Okay. Okay. I don't like this one. I'm having troubles. I can't make this go in his hand.
Let me give it a shot.
Oh, I got it.
There you go.
Okay, he can
So
still
there's
go on
Frozen.
here.
Yep. So there we go. We didn't get
No Mickey.
the Mickey, which I really wanted, and we would have liked to
I
have
like her.
the nephews. Yeah.
I forgot her name. But I like her also from The Incredibles.
Edna Mole.
Edna, yes.
But we did get the Minnie, which I really like her. Hercules, which we keep getting Hercules, and I could care less about that one.
Right?
We've got Anna and Elsa. We've got Scrooge, and we have Frozen.
Right. So if we ever get hold of these again, I hope we get Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Mickey.
Well, this is series 2. I'm sure there's going to be series 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll get new guys.
Right.
But yeah, I'm just disappointed we didn't get
Mickey.
Mickey. I would have liked to have had Aladdin. That would have been
they do
nice.
have Chip and Dale.
Yeah, you mentioned Chip and Dale.
I
Were the
did.
ones you wanted at the
I
top.
still don't know what this is.
That's Hades, I think.
Oh,
Again, from
Hercules.
Hercules, which we're not really fans of. But I do like them. They're going to be
They're
fun.
cute.
We'll stick them up behind us. Maybe in the display case, maybe not. We'll figure it out. All right. Thank you again for checking out the video. Leave us comments below. Let us know if you have any of these and what your thoughts are on them. And, Series 1 we missed entirely.
We did. I don't think.
So I don't know what was in
I don't think
Series
we were
1.
looking at Legos at that time.
No, we probably
Minifigs.
weren't. Yeah, we probably
That's
weren't.
okay.
It's a new thing. But in any case, we mentioned ahead of the show that we've got the channel icon over here. Click on that. Hit the subscribe button and the notifications so that you can find out when we're going live and when new videos drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But on this side is going to be our Disney unboxing. So if you like the Disney stuff especially, including pins, we do a lot of pins, check out that video because we got a lot more stuff over there.